Hello. Good morning, Freedom Nation. Just tapping in with you. Today is the 15th. It is payout day. So we're going to be getting a payout. So that's why you only see one account being traded right now. The other two accounts, they get into payout. So we don't touch those accounts until the money has been taken from the account. I've made a mistake like that before and traded it, and then it went below the number, and then I thought I was going to get a payout, and I didn't get a payout. So now I just don't touch the accounts until the payout is cleared completely, and then I'll start trading those accounts again. So today we're going to take our time and wait for a particular setup, and to show you that algorithmic trading for human beings is the way to go. Till we get our money up and we find the right developers who aren't going to rip us off and steal our strategy and go behind our back and resell it. We will eventually have software to take these trades for you, but as of right now, you're going to have to follow the algorithmic steps. Now, today, I'm going to show you the Johnny Heikin-Nashi breakout, our breakout, okay? So right now, we're in the midst of actually catching a really good trade. I'm going to pass on it. We're in the midst of catching a setup T to the upside, okay? However, I want to show you that algorithmic trading is the way, and I'm going to pass on this really good setup and show you that if you're patient, there are always more setups in the futures market. And I'm going to wait for the Heikin-Nashi breakout. And then we'll take the Heikin-Nashi breakout, okay, which is this one right here where I say C4C hodl, okay. I'm going to change that to Heikin-Nashi breakout, but this is what I was using the ATM to test. Go back and watch my videos and you'll see my discussions and lectures on cyborg trading with ATMs, okay. So as of right now, we have to wait. I'm not going to be in front of the computer. I have alerts set in TradingView to let me know when the Heikin-Nashi breakout has occurred, and we'll come back to the computer and I will take that trade when it occurs. So I'm going to pause the video and I will return back when the play is available. I'm going to go take a shower, cook some breakfast, etc. But as of right now, I can already see we're getting a good form to the upside. Okay, so if I were going to be taking setup T, I would be getting ready to take it shortly to the upside. I don't know what's going to happen, but that's kind of what I would be looking to do. It's already passed 4 algorithms in our setup T play, which is this one. You'll see it says setup T, S-U-T, setup T, right? But I'm not going to be taking the setup T. I'm going to pass on the setup T today, and I'm just going to wait for another one of our plays that we have an algorithmic step-by-step process to take the play, just to prove to you that I do what I say I do. We do what the algorithm tells us to do, and nothing more, nothing less. We don't play the prediction game, we play the profits game. Okay, guys, so let me just pause this video. Oh, I don't know how to pause it. Is there a way to pause this? Oh, it is right here. Okay.
Locking it up, right? You're locking up the contract, and you can exit. I think it takes a few days to get your funds and get off the network. But if you're making sweet APR and they're holding your coins, and you're not seriously struggling for cash right now, then it's a great place.
Order submitted.
For helping the network to decentralize.
Order filled.
The APR is good.
All right. Got our Johnny breakout. Johnny Heikin-Nashi breakout in play.
Absolutely not.
Stop filled.
Okay, I was in the kitchen cooking, so let's see what happened here. All right, maybe the retrace comes to the halfway mark here on the trading chart. And we're just a little bit early. Let's try it again. Sometimes it happens you're a little early.
Order filled.
Okay. If they start pushing down further into this order block, I'll get out and then I'll wait till the order block is filled completely and then I'll get back in because then I can get it for cheaper. But if they turn around at the halfway mark of the order block, I'll hold. Okay, it appears that they're turning around. They break out of the order block and go up, we're to the upside and I'm good. They start pushing back down again, then I will get out and try to wait for better entry somewhere around down here on the trading chart. That means they're not done retracing just yet. The pullback's not complete. Although we do have a B, C candle. This is the D candle. Can't trust it too much on the trading chart. Okay, and it looks like they're attempting to put, yep, I'm out.
Order filled.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait till this fully retraces and then I'll get back in. This will allow me to get in at a cheaper price. Boom. Grab all that liquidity. See how far we can stretch it to the bottom. And I'll take it here.
Order filled.
Respectfully. So what we're kind of pushing for is for them to take the liquidity out of here and move back up, bounce off of this dynamic support level here. Hold on, let me check something out real quick. Fucked up. What is today? Today is Monday. Okay, yes, no news. Okay, cool. We want to see them push back up through the order block, back inside of the order block and above and out of it. And if they reject the order block, then the Heikin-Ashi breakout did not work, and that's just what happens sometimes. The L's come with the game. Wait for another one. This was a 6-minute Heikin-Ashi breakout that I took. So it was off of my structure chart. I only take the Heikin-Ashi breakout on the structure chart and on the and on my macro chart. Okay. I rarely ever take it off of, I don't take it off of the 2 minute and I don't take it off the 15 is I just don't have the data and I don't know the numbers yet for the ATMs. So I don't know how my ATM operates that way. Okay. As you can see, we're up 29, 30 ticks to the upside. So I feel like the Higinashi breakout is going to work in our favor if we can just get out of this order block. But if we start moving back down through the order block, I'll take my profits off the table and wait for the Higinashi breakout on the macro chart. Instead of taking it off of the structure chart. Sometimes structure chart just doesn't have enough buying power or selling power. It's a 6-minute chart, you know. Okay, so there we have
Stop
it.
fill.
Boom. Higinashi play. ATM took me out at a decent amount of profit. See what we made here. All right, so 762 buckaroonies. Just like that. Like that there. I'm gonna scalp real quick. I'm gonna move this to the NQ because this trade still got room to go. So we're gonna go with it. I don't know how far, but I believe I can at least get 10 ticks if they can break out of this order block. So let's go to my ATM here. Roll with that one. You know what? Nope. Let's play it safe. Go with the 2 because I'm already up some good bread.
Order filled.
See what we can get here.
Stop fill.
All right, that's all we need. $852. I'm done. So as you can see, I woke up, I took a shower, I put the computer on pause, I waited for the setup to show. I waited for it to show me all the algorithm. It passed all algorithms. We had a pullback that was deeper than expected, but hey, sometimes it's like that. Sometimes it just doesn't take off completely. However, we waited for them to clear out this order block and we got back in for the Higinashi breakout, which it did. It went up 46 plus ticks to the upside. Then I did a quick little scalp with my ATM acting as a cyborg. I could probably scalp again. I don't want to push it because at the end of the day, this year I'm more concerned with my trading stats than how much money I make. And I've already taken one loss or an investment in the market. I do believe I could scalp again one more time up, but I'm not going to go for it because I feel like they're going to go up here and check the liquidity up here and just continue the Higinashi breakout. But, you know, we already made money down here. We got in with the smart guys. So up here on the structure chart, I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, chart number 3. People are starting to join in. They're getting confirmation and they're joining in. They're all agreeing that the market should go up. Where? We don't know. Okay. That's why we use ATMs to trail behind the actual candles, because other than that, you're predicting. And that's why we use our data to prove how often for your particular play, how far does the retrace go? How far does it go into profits before you want the ATM to move on its own? So I called it out this morning before I even woke up of what I was going to do. I did exactly what I said I was going to do. And that's how you know that this strategy is something that can be taught to other people, because it's a step-by-step based rule strategy. If this does this, then do this. If this does this, then do that. If this does this, then do that. If this does what it wasn't supposed to do, go back to step number 3 and wait for it to do what it's supposed to do. That's all this is. If you're not trading like that, you're missing out on so much money, and I just can't explain to you. But you watched me this morning. I woke up, I paused it. I was cooking. I'm still cooking right now. I took a shower. My phone let me know when all the algorithms were passed. I came to the computer. I took the trade. Okay. I kept faith in the trade to the long upside, even when it went against me and took me out of profit at 25. But we came back and we made 46. That's almost a 1.75, right? So it took me right out of negative because every time I win, I'm risking 25 ticks. Okay, so let's say two contracts per tick equals $1. So I'm risking $25 to make. I'm risking $25 to make. I'm risking $25 to make $46, right? So I made my $46. So it took away $25 from me. I came back with $46. So if I lost, 40, if I lost 25 off of that $46, I was still up $21. Then right after that, I busted a scalp. Okay. And then boosted me up another 100 and I guess 50 plus dollars. Okay. Put in the account at, I don't know why that says 700. I thought it was 800. Okay. Well, we'll just say 800. It's $20 from 800. I don't know why. I thought that's it. I'm gonna have to go back and look at that. But I thought we were up 800. Anyway, so yeah, and we did a quick little scalp. We made some money, and then we're done. It's that simple. And you don't have to be here all day because the longer you stay in the living room casino, the worse your odds are of becoming profitable. Very simple concept. All these lines that you see here, I'll come back and show you because I'm done for the day. I'm going to shut everything down. But these lines you see, these purple lines, they're entry marks. These are all opportunities in the market today. Okay. Once they cross this line, you make some money. All right. Just like that. Straight like that. Watch. You don't believe me? Let's go.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Hey, just cross that line.
Stop filled.
What did I say? Let's make some money. Every purple line you see on the chart, that's an opportunity to make money. Boom, boom, boom. This is what happens when you can read price action and still going. I just want the scalp because I've already hit my daily goal. My daily goal is like $500 in this account. But every time you see it, it's playing out. This is all done this morning at 5 o'clock. I looked at the price action and said, oh, if price goes here, this possibly could happen. If price goes here, this possibly could happen. So let's mark it up on the charts and be patient and wait for price to hit these marks. Look, and now they're heading up here to the big boys. If they get past this, man, that's Heikin-Ashi play gonna go 100 plus ticks, but we already done for the day because we don't need to be greedy. We don't need to keep going because like I said, it's a game of probabilities and uncertainties. So they could come up here and turn around, but so why risk it when we've already hit our daily goal? There's no need to keep going any further. So anyway, remember, if you want to do it, take your time, do it right. You can do it. You can get your money right. It is I, Johnny Heikin-Ashi, the great on these Wall Street charts. And if you're looking to learn how to read price action, same way I do, I am offering a private school. At the moment, it is free for the first 150 people. After that, it will not be free. Deuces.